If you look over here, you can see some pieces of scenery that are hanging up in the air. These are known as the castles. Come down, they make really nice lighting and projection surfaces. If we can bring artists out, hook them up to these winches, lift them up, move the platform away, and they come straight down from this level all the way to the floor. This is, in fact, our highest point of deployment for the show. If you look through here, you can see a better view of the plastic-covered scenery. These are the garden panels at various levels. Over here across the grid, you can see what we refer to as our West Winch Farm. So we have winches underneath the catwalks that lift up and down. These winches make them go in and out. Okay, it's a double system. This platform will track all the way across the opening, allowing us to load artists from 2 different heights. So we'll travel the artists and potentially the apparatuses themselves out on this platform, hook them up, lift them up, remove the platform, and then they fly in.
This is level 4, which is our main technical performer catwalk, and it's from this location that we'll do the flying down into the pool, flying onto the pagoda, and we'll also be using this position to bring in or some of our large complex flying pieces that use the winches that are above you. So, although you've been to level 8 and seen the winches on the high grid, this is our lower crucible grid, and as you can see, we have these winches above you. There are 40 tracking winches on the various tracks that allow us to move scenery across this entire space. This is our main show control room. As you can see, we're in the process of installing a lot of the complex front ends that we use. The arrangement in here is quite important so that the operators of the stage equipment can actually talk to each other, but can also control the equipment. So this end, this high level platform is the dive control. So our lead diver will be up here talking to the divers in the pool on their dive comm. These 2 desks running 3 very complex interconnected systems. So this position is the production stage manager. She'll communicate with all of the operators, with people on stage, performers and the divers, and she is essentially running the show.
You can imagine there'll be motorbikes riding around and up through the ramps as part of the performance. Now you can see the huge hydraulic rams and lifts. You get a sense of the technical complexity of how that stage actually operates.
So here we are in this 3.7 million gallon pool, okay, which is 3.5 times larger, than the biggest aqua theater, that already exists in Las Vegas.
There's only 4 of us in wardrobe, there will be 27 in total.
Behind you, let's see our control